watch what he does. So he's getting the drone started. And that drone is then going to fly out there. And then he's able to bring it in from there. Wonder if he won't. Look, it's on that little thing. See, he's just starting it up. Look. Just watch the process and then you'll know. So look, he's got his hots. See, he's got his line. And look at that beautiful sun, that little from a video of how ground technology. And so he's about to take off. Look, he's arming it. And then...
Oh, look at that.
Look. See it going up.
Wow.
Look.
Here, look.
Look at his line.
Oh my.
And there's his drone. So he's got that going there.
Oh, nice.
And then look how far it's gone out there.
Wow.
So I'll point to it. So it's... And look, there's his line there.
Right. And then we put it down, right?
You know, can you still see it? I can
Yes,
still see
I
it.
can see it.
So he's just...
So then
So it's still in the air out there. Yeah.
And then get it drawn back.
Yeah. So he's got a picture on the drone, so he's actually watching the drone. And there's our spotter, so they're all perfectly... And there it is out there. I don't know what island that is, but that's an island. So there he goes. So I don't know if he... And then he's gone and pushed the button, and then it'll bring back to home. So the drone's coming back. See it going up in the air?
I can't see it. Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah. So I think it's dropped the hook, and so now, see his top of his rod? Look, there it is up there, so it's coming back home. Look, he's already got fish now, look.
You think so? Wow.
Well,
Oh,
he's just,
oh,
no,
no,
he's
yeah.
just tightened it. But there it is, look, there it is up there, look.
Wow.
Look, there it is, look, there it is. Can we see it? Look. So that's his home base. See, look, his little thing there? So it's dropped all the fish bait. And it's turning around. And the wind is really strong. I mean, look, if you look at the wind on that tree, and there it comes down. So there they are. And it's coming down. And that's it. Look, there's his line. Look at it bending over. So, and if you watch the top of his line, and there's the drone coming in now. So we'll just zoom in on where it's going to land. Where it's going to land. Here it is. And there's his fishing line. And that's it. That's 3 fish. So shall we give a round of applause? Are we going to clap?
Yeah.
Yay! Yay!